Namaste everyone. Welcome to Shruchi Kitchen. In this episode, I will show you how to prepare nutritious dal recipe made with rich gourd, and it is called Hirakai Tawwe. Let's look at the ingredients to make this scrumptious Hirakai Tawwe recipe. You need 1 cup of tur dal, 200 grams of rich gourd which are peeled and diced into small pieces, 1 onion diced, 1 cup of tomatoes diced, oil for seasoning and frying vegetables. Next, for seasoning, you need 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, a sprig of curry leaves, 6 to 7 green chilies cut lengthwise, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of whole black peppercorns, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds, salt for taste. Additionally, you can also add juice of half a lemon and cilantro towards the end for garnishing. Wash and soak tur dal in water for 10 minutes and then cook tur dal in pressure pan for up to 5 to 6 whistling sounds. I have added water up to 1 to 2 inches deep and then add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder along with tur dal. Now cover the pressure pan and cook tur dal for up to 5 to 6 whistling sounds. Next, prepare the spice powder. Dry roast whole peppercorns and cumin seeds under low heat. Saute until cumin seeds starts to turn aromatic and golden brown. This should take about 1 to 2 minutes. Transfer it to a separate utensil and allow it to cool down. Next, add the seasoning. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. When oil is smoky hot, add mustard seeds and curry leaves. I'm using dried curry leaves. If you have fresh curry leaves, go with that. When mustard seeds starts to splutter, add green chilies. Saute for a few seconds and then add onions. Continue to saute until onion starts to wilt and becomes translucent. Next, add rich gourd and cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. Additionally, add 1/4 cup of water to cook rich gourd and also to prevent from rich gourd getting burnt at the bottom. Cover the pot and continue to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. Add tomatoes and continue to cook for another 5 more minutes. Dal is completely cooked. Now use a ladle to mash the dal to make it smooth and velvety texture. Next, add fried vegetables and mix well. Cook this dal under low heat for 10 to 12 minutes. Next, add salt per taste and mix well. Also, I'm adding 1 cup of water to make this dal thin. If you want dal to be thick, then you can avoid adding additional water. Continue to boil until it starts to bubble. I have ground roasted cumin and whole peppercorns into fine powder. I've used mortar and pestle. You can also use a spice grinder to grind them into fine powder. Add it to the dal and mix well. This spice powder gives a unique flavor to this recipe. As an optional ingredient, you can also add juice of half a lemon if you like dal to be a bit sour in taste. I did not show this ingredient in the beginning because it's an optional ingredient. After adding lemon juice, cook for 5 more minutes so that the vegetables are cooked all the way through and it has absorbed the flavors from cumin and pepper. Once dal starts to simmer, you can turn off the heat and it is ready to be served. Hirake tavve goes well with chapatis and rice. This is a highly nutritious dal recipe. It is extremely flavorful and peppery. I hope you like this episode on Shruchi Kitchen. If you have not subscribed to my cooking channel, please do subscribe to Shruchi Kitchen. Also, like this video, share this video and do leave a feedback in comment section. You can also follow me on other social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. Thank you so much. Stay tuned to Shruchi Kitchen for more videos.